Bits of lemon pepper. I don't really do too much salt, so some lemon pepper will be fine. I'm gonna add my eggs to my skillet, and what we're gonna do is a method. It's called the push and pull, okay? And it's just as it sounds, okay? It's with the eggs. It's called a push and pull. I call it a push and pull. I don't know what other people call it, but in my chef terms, I call it a push and pull. So it goes just like this. You push the eggs, okay? They come over to the other side of the skillet, okay? I can crank that up just a smidget, and it'll be fine. So as the eggs are cooking, not burning, I'm going to push them again and pull them again. Or just like that. And technically the egg is done. I can just cut the fire off and the egg is practically done. Once it sits in the regular temperature from the egg, we'll finish cooking the inside of it. And what I'm gonna do just for decoration and color, just add a smidget of chives in there, or parsley flakes. And once my parsley flakes are on there, now I have a delicious looking egg. Very delicious, very tasty. It's just right, perfect.